So that's like a decent amount. Let's see. Okay, it's pearlescent. Okay, I think it needs a little more water and we need to get it a little thicker. Look at that, it's pretty. Wow, okay. So I'm gonna let that first layer dry a little bit. So obviously this is edible. This is all edible pearl pigments. These are not highlighters, so they're not going to look as metallic as highlighters will look. I actually think the key here is to put a couple drops of water and let it absorb, which is kind of like how some other paint palettes or watercolor palettes work. I think that's gonna turn out a little better. So let's just give it a little time. Come back in a couple minutes. Silver now. Ooh. Okay, the silver is nice. It's a little light, especially on white. When people want to create metallics on royal icing, I always tell them to put the flood layer of the icing or the detail layer of the icing to be kind of a similar tone to what you want to get metallic. So if I want gold, I'm putting kind of a yellowish tone as my base icing to help the gold pop. Same for silver. I'd go in with a light gray icing to help that silver pop. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I'm very excited now. It went from like, okay, this is okay, how do we work with this, to dang, oh boy. Okay, so these two are kind of similar. There's definitely more red tone here. I would say this is like a deep rose gold. This is a bronze, gold, silver. Kind of working on the surface now. Showing you how much my brush is loaded. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love this. So this is what it looks like when it's had a couple minutes to dry only. I am really, really obsessed with this. So to summarize how to get the best paint from your palette, you want to drop just like one drop of water into the middle of that little palette. Give it like 10 seconds to absorb, and then using circular motions, mix the water into the paint or the paint into the water, whatever, and then adjust your consistency. But usually you want kind of something a little bit thicker. The only way you're gonna know is if you use it and do it on your cookies to see what works for you.